Can ChatGPT help your finances? Stay tuned until the end of this video to find out how. In 2023, ChatGPT has taken over almost every industry. It's gradually becoming one of the most powerful inventions of our lifetime. Talk to anything that involves technical thinking, translation, content creation, data analysis, research, programming, and money-generating ideas. ChatGPT takes over while you just sit back and relax. This advanced AI is the game changer, and you should not be left out of this. Wondering how this new AI bot can help your finance and make money online? You no longer need to spend long hours trying to find a solution. This powerful tool can change everything. So what is ChatGPT? It is an artificial intelligence system that can generate human-like responses to simple keywords or instructions put in by their user. The GPT in ChatGPT refers to the generative pre-training transformer, which signifies the way that ChatGPT processes languages. The model has been trained with a lot of resources to respond to almost any kind of query, and it has gained popularity in a quick time. This new AI model seems quite interesting, right? You might be wondering, how does the use of ChatGPT affect your financial well-being positively, and if at all, does it have limitations? Well, let's find out. ChatGPT, also known as the genie in the bottle of the finance industry, it's a brilliant tool that has taken the world by storm. It's not just a regular finance chatbot for banks that can answer repetitive questions, but can take customer service to the next level. But like every other genie, it does have its limitations. Benefits of ChatGPT. The economic impact of ChatGPT should not be underestimated. It's already affecting various industries and sectors, from offering consulting services to creating and selling chatbot-powered products or services, as well as opening up so many other opportunities for people like you and me to monetize our skills. Whether you're a business owner looking to improve your customer service or a developer looking to create innovative chatbots that can manage different social media platforms, ChatGPT has something for everyone. Make more money online. Text translation is one of the things ChatGPT can do really well. While I did cross-analysis with other translating apps, ChatGPT provides a more accurate translation than others. For instance, when translating an idiomatic expression, ChatGPT offers a more explicit explanation. Rather than simply asking ChatGPT to translate, you can ask it to provide additional meaning in English or in any other language that you are translating into. ChatGPT will provide both a direct translation and an explanation of the idiomatic expressions, which makes it a perfect fit for translation jobs, especially when everyone is looking out for human-like translations that correspond to our everyday conversation and not some sort of technical distorted words. If you are still thinking how to make money with this, check out freelancing sites like Guru.com, Upwork or Fiverr, and you will see thousands of jobs on translations with mouth-watering pay. Imagine you get any of these jobs, copy everything that the client sends you, paste it here to ChatGPT, input the instructions, and it will get everything done in a couple of seconds. Proofread it before submission and you will get paid this huge amount of money without doing almost anything. Helps with improved customer service. ChatGPT is like having a personal finance advisor in your pocket. It can answer questions more personally, leading to faster response times and increased customer satisfaction. Developing chatbot applications using the ChatGPT model and selling or licensing those applications to businesses or individuals. These chatbots could be used for customer service, virtual assistance, or other tasks. It can take chatbot banking a step further and respond in a more personalized manner, just like a tailor making a customized suit for you. Imagine a customer asking a question, and instead of getting a robotic response, they get an answer tailored to their needs. ChatGPT can create a Discord bot that can generate responses for multiple conversations in the Discord group while you spend time relaxing and doing what you love. In summary, it can write code to manage automated chats for apps and websites. Aids content creation and YouTube automation. Using ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging content for social media, blogs, or websites, and monetize that content through advertising or sponsored posts. Content and scriptwriters can make very good use of ChatGPT to get the desired scripts effectively and within a shorter time. This saves a lot of stress of carrying out endless research on your own. Another way to make money using ChatGPT is by using the platform to automate specific tasks on YouTube. For example, you could use ChatGPT to create a chatbot to respond to user comments on Facebook. It can also be used to comment on other videos in your niche, which can help drive traffic to your channel and increase visibility. Did I also mention how fast this AI is? It gets everything done in a matter of seconds, not even a minute. In addition, ChatGPT offers a range of features that can help you improve productivity, generate new ideas, and produce high-quality content. Whether you are a blogger, a scriptwriter, or a content marketer, ChatGPT can help you create better content and achieve your goals with minimized stress. Provides copywriting services to businesses. Providing copywriting services to businesses is one of the simplest ways to make money using ChatGPT. Many companies need help creating compelling copy for their products and services and may need more resources or expertise in-house. By offering copywriting services, you can help businesses create engaging and effective scripts to help them achieve their goals. However, you will need strong writing skills and an understanding of what makes chatbot copy effective. You may also need to familiarize yourself with the specific requirements and goals of each business you work with, also the features and capabilities of ChatGPT. With the right skills and expertise, you can use ChatGPT to create high-quality copy that will help businesses succeed with their products and services. It helps with automated financial calculations. Chatbot banking is nothing new, it is where you enter some data and it shows you the results. However, ChatGPT can level up and automate financial calculations such as determining loan payments or calculate investment returns. While such tools already exist, it often looks overcomplicated and needs to be more user-friendly. ChatGPT can ease finance by letting users explain their calculations conversationally and process them. Imagine a customer asking how much money they need to pay for their loan, and it will just give them a human-like response. Another potential use case could be a tax bot app powered by ChatGPT that explains your entire tax situation. ChatGPT for stock market analysis. ChatGPT can analyze stock market data and provide predictions based on historical stock prices and trends. While this is not financial advice and it is not wise to rely on such predictions, ChatGPT can track financial indicators for investment decisions and translate them into plain language for understanding. This can be a valuable tool for financial institutions and individual investors who must go through loads of data before deciding. Limitations of using ChatGPT. Since it currently runs on data based on 2021 and before, most of its answers may not be totally updated, so you've got to always do a quick check on every piece of information it gives to ascertain its validity. ChatGPT is optimized for text dialogue and not voice research. Users must manually type in every word they want to ask ChatGPT, which can be time-consuming and less efficient. Most users prefer voice inputs over text to explain complex or challenging problems, which may not be possible to type. The tone and style of speaking also helps to understand and determine the context of the conversation. Despite the limitations associated with ChatGPT, the benefits outnumber them. ChatGPT can help your finances positively, but you will need to put in the effort to market your services, find clients, and build a reputation as a reliable provider. It is important to know that competition is high and many other people are providing similar services, so you will need to find a way to stand out and provide value to your clients. Check out this next video to learn from the rich how to thrive in an inflationary economy.